Okay, so this was definitely not planned out at all, so it's gonna be pretty short and sweet, but this is just a bunch of clips of me and my cousins playing Fortnite, which is why there's no intro to it. I just need more content, and I'm not gonna lie, it's hard for me to make content as a creator with a very small platform. But, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy!
Okay, Bryson, you're scaring me.
Hey, watch it.
Oh, you did it!
Oh.
Full off.
Yeah.
Abby's not a text. Boosts.
Brunt. The hell did you just call me? Just don't kill me.
Okay.
Table.
Neck, no scoped, ionic, instepped.
Ionic underscore instep.
Oh!
I don't get you in the market.
You kill me, you homophobic! Oh, the shots, oh my. Oh. Oh my. Oh my. I can't.
Byron, right now. Oh,
What the?
Yeah, you can't do it fast.
Bryson, wait up.
Bro, shut the.
Oh, it's tab for inventory. I'm stupid. I'm just spamming my inventory.
Space is the best. Frenchie's a test. Why?
Cause he fucking shit in the living room.
Why?
Why are you asking me why? I don't know why my dog shit in the. Okay, well, can you stop waving your hips around, ma'am? Ugh. I'm about to get a brain freeze from this shit.
Do it.
Quit making Spider-Man do that shit.